our second practice session. I do have a timer and picked up a little bit of pace. 1:17.72 I think. It's going to be really hard to get this thing to go any much better. Now just trying to find out where I can maybe come back a little bit to go faster rather than go forward a little bit to go faster. Richard this time got his arse in gear, thank goodness, and did what he was supposed to do, which is left me for dead, and I'd have needed binoculars to have seen him by lap 3. How was the first time out, Mr. Richard?
Reasonably stressful, if I was to be perfectly honest.
You're supposed to be having fun.
No, I feel that I would rather be anywhere else at the moment. But that will.
And what sort of revs were you doing?
Oh yes, lots. Lots and lots.
Okay. Well, here we are at Castle Combe with a trusted Josh and Keith Soom doing some stuff, and to the Boxster. Next step is qualifying, which is going to happen. Richard's working out what he's got to do, and looking very relaxed. So we do qualifying at about 11 o'clock, and that'll obviously decide grid positions. I'm afraid do not expect us to be at the sharp end with these cars. There's some super fast things. There's a 7-litre Viper, a 6-litre Ginetta, a TCR Golf. There's some stuff here that is massively quicker than what we've got. So Richard will be in amongst the pack somewhere, and I am afraid I'm going to be racing a few people towards the back, I reckon. Fingers crossed.